Hello, today's date is 15 July 2021 and my name is Nilesh Hanmant Shinde and I am going to describe today's video topic. The today's video topic is methods methods of object. Uh, Before we discuss about the methods of object, uh, we must know about the object in Java. Then, what is the object in Java? The object, it is a parent class of all classes uh, all classes in Java by default. It is a that means the if we create an class, then it is by default it's an object of that class by default, and it is a topmost class of Java. And the the methods of the class, the methods of object, it has some benefits. That is, if you want to refer any object uh, where whose type you don't know, then you then we can create object of Java. And notice that the parent class refers the variable can refers a child class object, and it is a case of uh, upper casting. L- let me understand uh, let me take one example for understanding. If there is a get object method and that returns an object, but it can be of any type, like employee, student, etc. We can use object class object class reference to reference object class reference to refer that object. For example, the object class provides some common behaviors uh, to all other object, such as the object can be compared, the object can be cloned, the object can be notified, etc. In the object class, uh, it provides many methods. We discuss about the one by one about that. The first method is get class method. The get class method returns the class of Java class of class object of uh, this object, and the further class can be further used to get the metadata of this metadata of this class. The next one is hash code. Hash code returns the hash code number for object. For every object, the JVM generates a unique number, that is the hash code. Some assumption about There is some assumption about the uh, hash code. Uh, it's written the address of object, but it is not true. It it not returns address of object. It converts the internal address of object to integer. The next is boolean equals. The boolean equal compares the given object to this object. And the next one is clone, object clone. The object clone is create a reference copy of given object. And the next object is string to string. The string to string returns a string representation of object, and it is used to convert object to string. and the next one is notify. The notify, it wake up a single thread waiting on this object's monitor. So that's all about the methods of object. Thank you.